Looking for a convenient place to live in Singapore? This mega condo is located in a highly sought-after area in Singapore. Just 3-minute stroll to MRT, Circle Line, and 8 minutes to upcoming Thomson East Coast Line. There are good choices of schools and shopping centre around. Hi, I'm Wendy Lim from Orange Tea and Thai AAG Division. Are you looking for a property with good facility, amenities, and accessibility? Let me introduce this award-winning project. Today's highlight is a 527 square feet, 1-bedroom show flat with fully equipped kitchen, integrated fridge, integrated smart dishwasher. Comfortable living and dining area with ceiling height of 2.9 meter. Spacious master bedroom, dual access to its bathroom. The creative and practical IT concept here give you better idea on how you can maximize the space. Let's take a look at this 5-bedroom unit. Floor area of 2099 square feet with private lift, very rare in the market. Luxurious living room with huge bedrooms. This is really good for any family who is looking for space. Elegant walk-in wardrobe. To unwind, enjoy a relaxing soak in tub with a glass of wine. The Junior Master Ensuite room gives you greater flexibility in planning for a study room, granny's room, or a guest room. Looking for a convenient place to live in Singapore? Call me for an exclusive presentation or discussion. See you soon.